I found a mysterious monkey trying to climb a tree. And it's a black monkey. He fell off. A big, fat monkey trying to get up on the tree to get some bananas. And he fell off again. Now that monkey went to that guy's grave. Let's go check out what that monkey's doing. Hey monkey, what are you doing? The monkey's trying to climb up the tree, and he fell all the way to the ground. Monkey doesn't wear any pants. Monkey went over there. There's Monkey. Monkey went in the water, trying to find some fishies. Monkey went in the freaking water. He drowned because he never came out. Time, little monkey. Where did the little pesky monkey go? Little pesky monkey got out from drowning. Little pesky monkey fell back in the water and started to drown again. Little pesky monkey trying to find pesky bee. Little monkey trying to go over to his grandma's house. Pretend I'm a camera. Pretend I'm just a camera. And you don't even see me. There's little pesky monkey trying to go in the mines. But then he fell. And he went down. Little pesky monkey's going to the bed. Never mind. He's going over here to shop. He's going to death run. But I don't know what will happen. He's trying to make it to the end. But as soon as he tried, he messed up. As soon as he tried, he messed up. Why am I just calling you a pesky monkey? Monkey. This little monkey failed again. I see what this monkey's trying to do here. Monkey fell off again. Monkey's a little stupid pesky monkey. Monkey fell. Monkey fall. There's the little monkey. Little pesky monkey died of despair. And that's the end of this despair monkey. That's the end of the pesky monkey. And that's the end of this pesky monkey. And then we will do it tomorrow. Have a great day.